Hey, let me show you how you can fix connection problem with your Nothing Ear 2. So as you can see in my case, when I try to connect them, I've got this information that actually they cannot communicate with my phone. So first of all, just confirm this, and on your smartphone, you have to just turn off the Bluetooth. So click here and turn off Bluetooth on your smartphone. Now, you will have to input both earbuds inside the case, close it for like few seconds, and now just open it and click and hold on this button until this indicator starts blinking white. Now when it's blinking you can release, keep that case open, click on this switcher to turn on the Bluetooth back on your phone. Now you have to go into the Bluetooth settings and click to pair new device. Then from the available devices select your Ear 2. Accept the pairing. And as you can see right now it works. So that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.